Said Red Molly to James, that's a fine motorbike. A girl could feel special on any such light. Said James to Red Molly, my hat's off to you. It's a Vincent Black Lightning 1952. Well, I've seen you at the corners and cafes, it seems. Red hair and black leather, my favorite color schemes. And they pulled her on behind, and down the Box Hill they did ride. Said James to Red Molly, here's a ring for your right hand. But I'll tell you in earnest, I'm a dangerous man. I've fought with the law since I was 17. I robbed many a man to get my Vincent machine. Now I'm 21, and I might make 22. And I don't mind dying, but for the love of you. And if fate should break my stride, I'll give you my Vincent to ride. Come down, Red Molly, said Sergeant McCrae, for they've taken young James Avery for armed robbery. Shotgun blast hit his chest, left nothing behind. Come down, Red Molly, to his dying bedside. When she came to the hospital, there wasn't much left. He was running out of road, he was running out of breath. But he smiled to see her cry. She said, I'll give you my Vincent to ride. Said young James, in my opinion, there's nothing in this world beats a 52 Vincent and a red-headed girl. Now Nortons and Indians and Greases won't do. They don't have a soul like a Vincent 52. And he reached for a hand and he slipped her the keys. And he said, I don't have any further use for these. I see angels and aerials and leather and chrome sweeping down from heaven to carry me home. And he gave her one last kiss and died. And he gave her his Vincent to ride.